Well, today is 13th August 2009. We are just keep going with the project 1989 Dodge Dakota convertible. I'm gonna just keep going with taking all the bolts off of the bed. As you see, I'm gonna start taking all the bolts. And there is one more bolt over there. I'm gonna just start keep taking off. One more bolt that is holding the truck bed. Alright, it took only 30 seconds to take the bed off. It's right here, and then we got the frame now ready for sandblasting. So we are gonna just sandblast everything off and then work on all the wires and everything. And we got these rust spots that we are gonna fix it. So now with the truck bed off, it's gonna be a lot easier. As you see, we got rust